Hello guys, here I am your tutor and I am going to let you know how you can make the 2D figure of protein-ligand interactions in Discovery Studio. So for this I am going to open the Discovery Studio software, and then from the file menu I will open a file that contains protein and small molecule. Here on the screen you can see the protein in cartoon form while the small molecule in stick form. So to make the 2D figure, interaction figure, you can click on this. You have to come into this view interaction panel, and then you have to click on this show 2D diagram, and then it will open a new screen that contains the interaction figure. Here different type of colors depict different interactions, like this green color, dark green color, um, shows the conventional hydrogen bonds, while this orange color shows the pi anion in type of interactions. Moreover, to make your figure more sharp and viewable, you can change the label size. Here you can see that it's not comfortable. I'm not comfortable to see it what it is right here. So right click and then click on the display size. Here you can change the font size. I'm comfortable with this one. And to change the label size, click on 3, and you can make it 4 or 5, whatever you want to, but I am comfortable with 3. Then click on apply button. It increases the size of the labels so it's more viewable. Then click on OK. Then save this 2D prepare 2D figure file and click on the save as, and here you can see different image formats. Then give any file name and then click on the save button. Here it asks you about the pixel ratio, so click on OK, and here you can see the saved file. Click it and it's your 2D figure of protein ligand interaction.